she's supposed to be learning English.
Yes, I'm teaching her.
Please, see, you gotta teach her how to speak English because maybe she might be traveling to places and she don't know how to speak English. That's a big help though.
I know. Samu, il a dit que tu vas apprendre de parler anglais parce que tu vas aller quelque part et il parle anglais.
Je comprends, t'inquiète. Maintenant, je te l'ai expliqué comme ça aux gens. Parce que tout le monde me dit que Samuella t'a menti, tout et tout. Donc, j'étais là à expliquer aux gens parce qu'ils disent que j'ai menti, que j'ai 22 ans, pourtant j'ai 19 ans. Donc, j'étais là à les expliquer et puis automatiquement, tu m'envoyais la demande.
Ok. Et donne-moi une seconde. Grandma's boy.
That's what I want to say. Like when you guys talk, you interpret for me because I don't know what she's saying.
She said that her friends were talking about she lied about her age and stuff like that because she went for Miss Côte d'Ivoire. She went for